I'm going to show you the easy way and the correct way to repair a damaged wing. This foil was used in the gorge with rocky bottoms. I came back from that trip with a foil completely destroyed. The correct way to do the repair is with something called 3M green spot putty. This is a filler that's used in auto body for filling scratches, and that's what we want to do here. We want to fill scratches and we want to sand them without sanding away the foil. This is softer than your carbon foil. It will sand away and just fill the scratches. You don't want to use 3M's red spot putty, which is more commonly found in auto parts stores. That's basically super thick primer, and it takes many coats. This green spot putty will sand, will fill it in one pass, and it will sand with 1000 grit, which is what you want to use, 1000 grit wet sandpaper. And it's quite easy. You can see the mess. The green shows quite clearly where the scratches are filled. When this is done, you just shoot it with a light dusting of black spray paint, and the green repairs will be gone. This spot putty cures and just comes out of the squeeze tube, and it cures in about 20 minutes to 30 minutes depending on your temperature. Real easy. Spread it on, wet sand it, and your foil is going to be back to new as soon as I give this a dusting of black spray paint.